Hello, hello, good morning. How are we doing today? I hope all is well. Sorry about this. Some other stuff I have to do. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, would be interesting. 167. Yesterday I was right. I don't know if I would have been in that trade for that long, but shorting 425s or so was a right call, but I just didn't want to wait. I left here. I was considering here a long, still didn't want to do it. Okay, 1 second. Okay, what do we have? 167, maybe we get it. Oh, excuse me about this one. 167, come on, give it to me. Add the VWAP now. Okay, 1 sec. Again, market's not giving me what I want. When I decide to stop streaming, it then comes and gives me exactly what I wanted. Like yesterday. Hopefully that's not what's happening. Okay, getting there. Slowly but surely. Let's see. A minute trend line here on the 15-minute on Nasdaq. Are we gonna hold this? Maybe I could have bought here. It's 200, it's a weave up, and the trend line. I don't think we'll get 170s. Okay, if we come back, maybe I'll try the 200s. Any important news today? President Trump speaks an hour before the market opens. Well, need to keep that in mind. That's very important. He spoke yesterday, but I didn't check what was it about. I heard he spoke for an hour or so. Oh, that was 850 as well. Well, wasn't prepared for this. Wouldn't wanna do it now. Delta on Nasdaq 1,400. Delta on ES 3,300. Delta's going lower on ES and higher on Nasdaq. Interesting. What's also interesting that ES went lower on the PM session yesterday on New York, and Nasdaq did not break it, so that's the low here. But in kind of similar area for today, both of them. So ES is playing a catch-up. Let's see what big stocks done yesterday. Charts. Okay, Amazon gap and go. Ooh, Apple gap and go. Microsoft gap did not close the gap. Nvidia gap and go. Meta gap and go. Okay, so everything's pretty weak on G7. G7, I wanted to say. Magnificent 7. Everything's kinda bearish. And the gold? Gold pushed again? Oh my god. Jesus. Am I on the right contract? Jeez Louise, look at the gold, man. $19. So that was yesterday's push. Push, push, push. Then even higher push. Interesting. So coming up to my possible entry. Do I wanna take it or not? Market's volatile, maybe I should decrease my size. I would want it below. Okay, you know what? Let's do this like that. Maybe I'll get tagged in. Nope. Not yet. Did I miss my entry? Looks like it. What a bummer. Maybe now, but I don't want it. Maybe I would like it here. In that case, let's see. What are we gonna get? Feeling a bit gun shy again. If anyone have any questions trading a prop account, it's a MyFundedFutures account. Way above the buffer, can take a payout anytime I want. Okay, I'll move it here. 88, let's get it. Doesn't look like it's gonna hold here. Wouldn't want to try it third time to buy at this level. So even if it holds, not interested. Okay, quite a bit of selling on ES. Somebody sold 100 contracts here. So that's significant. I would say actually very significant for a London session. Are we gonna go here 46 or so? The best entry is here where is my stop, so I might just as well do this. 60, 25. Maybe we get it. That makes sense on chart. Looks like ES wants to go, but Nasdaq not so much. By the selling and buying. 210, 20 contracts. He's underwater. He's here. This, how do you call it? Trading channel, right? Is kind of broken. Something like this. More like this. 1 second. Okay. Feeling gun shy again, and that was the trade I should have taken. I had an order first at 94.5, wouldn't have taken me in anyway. Still, this makes much more sense on the higher time frame. I might just need to wait. One second, I have to turn off the sound on my phone. And there we go. Are we gonna hold here the view up? This is kind of slow a bit for even for London session. Still think we should go in this area here. What do we have on fibs? Lower than 50%. $170. We have an order on Nasdaq. How big is the order? It's 63 contracts. Decent. Maybe we go get it. Waiting game, waiting game. Should I go make myself a coffee? That's what I'm thinking. I miss those days when 10 o'clock in my time zone, I'm from Lithuania, 10 o'clock is London open, 10 a.m. And whenever 10 a.m. hits, we go. Miss those days. That doesn't seem to be happening nowadays. Maybe on the pre-market, an hour later, we get a move, but haven't seen it happening for quite a while. Still, this makes sense. 67, 6, well, yes, 68, 70, somewhere in this area, general area. You can clearly see that reactions are present at this level. That would make sense. From here to here would be an amazing trade. So let's wait for it. Okay, while I'm waiting, I'm going to make myself a coffee. I will leave the screen on and a camera on. I'm not gonna be out for long. 5-6 minutes until the kettle boils. So you see you in a bit. Yeah, see you in a bit. There we go, I'm back. How are we doing here? Okay. Should have traded that. But it is what it is. How are we doing here? Might not get it. My entry. By the looks of it, Nasdaq is much more, much stronger than ES. At least looking to the delta in this time. Delta's going up on Nasdaq. We had 200 delta positive in this move. And on ES we keep going down. Yeah, I want a long here. I don't want to show it here anymore. Although yesterday I said the same thing about here. I didn't even wait. How long I should have waited? 20 minutes to show this. Probably I would have taken this to here. Probably to here, 45 points. That would have been enough. Okay. Still 1T long. I think we should go higher. Not financial advice. Once again, but in this area that makes sense. At least for me. I'll wait until 11. If it doesn't happen on stream, then, well, it doesn't happen. By the way, my coffee. Quite a large jug, right? I should cut down on coffee, actually. I drink 2 of these. This is a 400 something milliliters. I don't think I drink full of it. Like, there is some space. Nevertheless. 2 of these in the morning. I think that's a bit excessive, but it's just black coffee, not very strong. In this 400 milliliters, I put 3 full spoons of small spoons, like a teaspoon. So it's not like extremely, you know, strong coffee, but it's okay. Oh, come on, Nasdaq, just give me an entry and then off you go. I know you want to go here. Pick up some orders. I'm not alone here waiting. I know there are more people there. Muted action today. This is paint drying, come on. Should have tried a long on the Viva. Okay. Pin the question on the chat. What markets do you trade? Let me know, guys. Am I alone here stuck on Nasdaq for the last, what is it, a year? Less than a year. I remember I started off with S&P. And I moved because I am greedy. Seems like Nasdaq moves give more money. I mean, takes more money, but gives more money as well. And S&P is a bit cleaner market, in my eyes. Maybe I should come back to ES. Or maybe do both now, that I already have experience in both. It's just ES would need like 4 micros for the same result. And I used to trade with these settings, 20 and 40. So 10 points and 5 points. 5 points a risk for 10-point reward. How much would that be? Yeah. So 4 micros, exactly. Plus the fees. Fees would be more expensive because it's 4 micros. Why is it? Let's take yesterday. So for free, I pay 261. 261? That's interesting. 261 divided by 3. Should I do it mentally? What, about 80? 80... How do you divide 261 times 3? Divide by 3. 87. Yeah, 87. Now that I use calculator, it makes lots of sense. Come on, Nasdaq, just give it to me. Go lower, please. I should get some music on my stream. Definitely. I'm listening to the music now myself. I'm thinking, hell, why I don't have any music on my stream? That's not fair. I'm listening to music and you're... I don't know if you're doing it or not, but... So, are we gonna go there? So far the range is 38 points. And 8 points on ES. Very muted open. Very, very muted open. What happened yesterday? Yesterday was moving quite a bit, isn't it? That's already London Open, New York Open. Okay, so we did move until 10:37 and then we dumped. Are we gonna get the same today? 10:23, 10:37. We were. Okay. How much did we move yesterday? And 10:37 was the last. Okay, so at 11 we broke the trend line and went for 137 points. Let's say we break the trend line at 200, 137 points. What if we go above? Here, 137 points. Okay, close to yesterday's. Interesting. ES don't want to go up. Look at those, all the cells on ES. Trump yesterday. Oh no, not yesterday. So that's only what happened since 17th. He wants to sue JP Morgan. JPM. Let's see what the stock's doing. JPM. 17th. What happened on 17th? Oh, there was no 17th, but it's going lower. Closed the gap almost and went lower. How much it went lower? 3%. Not that small, I would say. We're not doing much here. I think I might call it even here. Not much is happening. Like, I could have taken a trade here, took a win, and just bugger off with my day. I don't know whether I should do a week review. Last week's review, I mean, I wouldn't say it took that long to make, but it only got 15 views. Should I continue? I don't know. This is quite boring. I'll switch off the camera for a second. I need to do something in the room. I'm still here, just the camera is off. Need to fix the background. Just changed my, how do you call it? Handle. Yeah, handle. Now it's Edgar Amos Trades. It used to be Edgar Amos - Trading. Yeah, that's fine. Oh, what a London session. I'm getting tired of it already. Let's see what the European markets are doing. Significant downtrend on 4 hours. But today is positive. DAX is positive, FTSE positive. Russell is nowhere near the bottom. That was about to break out of the consolidation. Yeah, I should have bought the wave up. That was a mistake. Could be sitting in a profit for now. But it makes sense to wait until here. That's a better bet. It's just I might not get it. But even if I don't get it, pre-market in 8 minutes. Quite interesting for the pre-market. Let's see what it's gonna bring. It was all gap and go yesterday, mostly on the Max 7. Interesting what's today gonna bring. A bit of buying, a bit of selling. If anyone's interested, I'm running Quantower 1.1.45.13 version. On the other computer, on the other screen, some buying here, I have a open super clone program running. It's basically my parents' hard drive that it's failing. And I got out of it 90.6%, and the remaining time it shows 1,773 days. What's that? It's like 5 years. 1,773 divided by 365. 4.8 years. remaining. I should probably switch it off. I got what I got. Okay, mostly buying on Nasdaq if I scroll through this. If anyone have any questions about times and sales, so the bottom left corner is ES, and that's from more than 27. So anything below 27 is not going to show up in here. The middle one is Nasdaq. It has no filters. So it could be 1, it could be 10, it could be, there you go, 17 contracts. And the bottom one is Nasdaq. That's above 10 contracts. So the top one and the bottom one shows me larger orders on ES and Nasdaq, and the middle one shows me the flow of orders. I could have a flow of orders for the ES, but I can pick it up from Nasdaq. I mainly trade Nasdaq, so that will be enough. What do you guys trade? What do you prefer? Do you trade futures markets? Do you trade crypto? Do you trade CFDs, forex? Do you trade equities? Do you trade maybe gold? Gold is on a rampage. I mean, this is just like up and up and up and up and up and always up. I wonder what the implication is gonna be on the economy when gold and silver is just marching higher. Is everyone just running to the gold and silver as a risk off? Why everyone's going risk off? What do they think is gonna happen? I wonder. And it's happening for quite a while, right? Like, if I open on TradingView the gold chart. Spot. Okay, spot. Let's do spot. Aha, I remember. How long ago was that? 22. Yeah, after COVID, I was looking at gold. And I wanted to buy it at about 1,680. I was seeing like one bottom. Okay, let me show you this. Here. Can I draw on here? Yeah, look at this. Here, here, here. I was like, maybe if it comes back again, I should buy it here. Look if I would have bought. What a trade that would have been. I wouldn't have held through it. Probably would have sold somewhere here. Even here. Hold it for half a year. Make how much? Let's say I bought it here. 20%. I'm laughing, right? Okay, some movement. 2 minutes until the pre-market opens. Let's see what it's gonna bring. Still, I think I wanna buy it here. 168. Well, this is kind of zone. I should maybe put a zone here. From here as well. And where would I wanna put it? That's quite a lot. Zone. Something like this. Then middle I don't need, and I need right ray. Does this make sense? The top one is even higher, but that's above my risk threshold. That's 10 points of a zone. Yeah, exactly that. Yeah. So that's the high of the opening candle, isn't it? No, that's the high of the opening candle. So maybe we test the high of the opening candle. Let's see. I would want it that Nasdaq is here on 25,170 or so. And ES at 6,846.45 at the same time. So if it happens at the same time, both of them, that would be another confluence that I should take this trade. I mean, I hope I get it. I've been yapping here for an hour, not taking any trades at all. So maybe we move. We have a trend line here. Pre-market, 10 seconds. Oh, no, what did I do? Okay. What? Oh no, that's fine. So we maybe will break this now. Pre-market's open. Doesn't look like it. Let's give it a bit more time. Okay, where one of the time and tails disappeared. Oh, there it is. Don't do that. Okay, so mostly selling on Nasdaq for the large orders. Gives me a bit more confidence that it might go down. Also on the 4-hour, some wicks here, 1 week, 2 weeks, yes as well. So asking for 45 is not that much, maybe even 43. Let's see if we get it. What is my phone want from me? Okay, I got an email that I need to attend. Okay, that's good. Come on, Nasdaq. Do it. Just do it. Well, you haven't seen the... how you call it? The advertisement of the Nike. Just do it. What are you waiting for? I need to switch this off. This is annoying me. Guys, how do you switch off the vibration on the Android phone? It's on silent, but it keeps vibrating. Sound and vibration. Silent mode, do not disturb. Vibrate in silent mode. No. Vibrate for calls. Yeah, you can vibrate for calls if anyone's calling me. Maybe grab my attention. Okay, all the viewers left. We had some viewers. Everyone went away. Probably thinking, you're never gonna get this trade. Why are you sitting and waiting for something that is not gonna happen? And I'm starting to think that myself. That probably I might not get it. It's moving to the opposite side where I wanted to move. Quite some tails on the ES. It's probably want to go up. I'll keep an eye on it. Oh, look at the CVD. Oh, look at this. That's not what I want to see. I want it to go down. 47 contracts on Nasdaq. So everybody's left, and I will be leaving as well. I'm gonna call it here. If I get it later in the stream, later in my trading session, I might take it. If something, I'll tell you what happened here on New York session. Okay, high CPU usage. What are you talking about, OBS? I have 24 threads. So what that it takes 30%? I don't care. This is a beast of a CPU. Maybe I should buy a graphics card in that case. Still have no problems with this. Anyway, I'm yapping. I'll call it here. Thank you very much for being here, and I'll see you in New York session. Thank you very much once again, and bye-bye.